So tara guys, gawa tayo ng isang B60. So yan, isa tayo dyan. Ang ating gagamiting pores ay 4 pores tayo, no? So first is the sweetness, second is acidity, third and fourth pores is our strength, no, bang sa coffee natin. So yan, so start tayo guys ng ating hot B60. So yan, let's go. So ang ating first pour ay sweetness ng ating coffee, no? So ayan, ating first pour. And then ang ating second pour is acidity naman ng ating coffee. So ayan, second pour siya, no? So ito na yung pang third pours natin guys, no? Pang third pours natin ng ating hot B60. So yan, third pours natin. At yung fourth, so combination yan sa strength, no? Yung third and fourth pours, combination siya. So tapos na yung third pours natin, pang-apat na. So ito yung pang-apat na pours natin, no? So ayan, ating pang-apat na pours. Okay, so tapos na natin ibang apat na pores. So antayin natin yung mag-drain, no, ang ating kaya tapos na natin ang ating buhos. So yan, yan guys, kasimple lang ating B60. So yan, guys, tapos na, no, ang ating B60. So try na natin ang ating B60. Ayan guys, try na natin ang ating B60. Ayan, solid guys, no? So yan ang ating B60. Thank you for watching.